Hello, and welcome to my channel Excel ABCD. Today we are going to learn an easy but useful trick in Excel. In this video I am going to show you how to create a link that can divert user to anywhere in the workbook just by clicking on it. Before starting this video I request you to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon if you haven't done this yet. Please watch this video till the end. Now let's go to Excel sheet. Here in a cell I have to create a link to divert to another cell. Here I am typing, check here to go to other page. Then I am clicking right mouse button on this cell. Now I need to click on hyperlink. Here you will get some options like existing file or web page. Place in this document. Create new document. Email address. I am going to click on place in this document option. Then I am selecting the sheet and type the cell address where users are to be diverted below, type the cell reference. After this click OK. Now your hyperlink to divert is ready. Hope you like this simple trick. If you like this video then please share it.